Hey guys, quick update on Big C, Tony here. We are looking, it's actually up at 83, 85 bucks. You guys already know that I have a 40K position on this. I'm up about $1,000. I've already taken some profit off of BigCommerce. I'll probably take my first take profit will probably be about like 5% at $5,000. So when I'm profiting 5,000, I'll probably take a profit. When I'm profiting 10K, I'll probably take another profit, etc., etc. But we are seeing really good strength right here on the momentum for the upside. We need to break this 83, 84, 85 resistance level to actually shoot up all the way back towards around 91, 93 bucks, and then from there to hit 106. We are creating, as you guys can see, we did create a higher high right here. So we did create the lows right here. We created a higher high. We broke this point, and it looks like we are in the trajectory upwards. So hopefully we do hit that 93 level, and then from there we do, if we do cross that older 93 level of support, I do think we're going to be headed straight to 106. And if we pass that, we're going to be headed right back to 140 and possibly 160. I think will be the short to mid term price target for the next couple of months or maybe even sooner.